A budget is a financial roadmap that helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring you're spending wisely and saving for your goals. Here's a guide to creating a budget that works for you. 1. Track your income and expenses. List all income sources. This includes your salary, wages, interest, and any other sources of income. Track all expenses. Keep a detailed record of your spending for a month or two. Use a budgeting app, spreadsheet, or notebook to categorize expenses, such as housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. 2. Set financial goals. Short-term goals might include paying off debt, saving for a vacation, or building an emergency fund. Long-term goals could be retirement savings, a down payment on a house, or funding your child's education. 3. Create a budget. Allocate income based on your income and goals, deciding how much money to allocate to each category, like housing, transportation, food, savings, and debt. Be flexible and willing to adjust your budget as your income or expenses change. Alright, so now it's time to implement your budget. Consider using budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track your spending and progress toward your goals. And don't forget to review your budget regularly, whether that's monthly or weekly, to ensure you're staying on track and making any necessary adjustments. Be flexible and patient. Life happens and unexpected expenses may arise. Be prepared to adjust your budget accordingly. And hey, don't forget to celebrate your successes. Reward yourself for sticking to your budget and reaching your financial goals. Here are some tips for creating a successful budget. Start small. Begin with tracking your income and expenses for a few weeks to get a better understanding of your spending habits. Be realistic. Set achievable financial goals and avoid overspending. Involve your family. If you're married or have a family, discuss your budget together and involve everyone in the process. And if you're struggling to create or stick to a budget, consider consulting a financial advisor. Remember, a budget is a tool to help you achieve your financial goals. By following these steps and being consistent, you can create a budget that works for you and helps you build a stronger financial future.